Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Today I'm in Indonesia client's factory site installation of our 132 kilowatts wood pellet machine. As you can see, this is the complete unit of our pellet machine. This machine fit with 132 kilowatts electric motor and the capacity 2 tons per hour. As you can see, this machine is already installed on the ground, and you can see that the stainless steel hopper, pelletizing room, and duster cover. And also you can see that the round type gear reducer is quite good looking. Over here, you can see that this is the automatic lubricating pump for the pellet machine bearings. For roller bearing, the main shaft bearing, and the pellet poaching device bearing. And you can see that this automatic grease pump, it has a glass tank, so you can see very clearly for the level of this grease. And you can set the lubricating data from here, and it will lubricate the bearing automatically. This can make sure the pellet machine 24 hours continuous working. And through these pipes, it fit to the pipe nozzle. And also we have the 132 good quality CE certified electric motor, and this can make sure this machine working in the best condition. The full load working can reach almost more than 2 tons per hour capacity. And over here you can see that this is the oil, the fan blower cooling system, gear oil fan blower cooling system. And you can see this is electric cable connected to the electric motor and the electric control panel. Through here you can see that this is the soft start system, electric control panel. Also with the frequency device for feeding conveyors. And inside it also have a PLC control, the soft start control system. And this one is the dust collector. The dust collector for sucking the very fine dust from the processing of pellet making. And also I can show you that my clients, they have a dry sawdust. The dry sawdust. It's a very good sawdust. It's a hard material, high heating values, heating kilocalories, pellet making, and also over there they have also a huge amount of sawdust. 暂停。